Welcome to Engineering Cubicle. I am Vivek Sunny, and in this video we will tackle advanced SQL problem that are commonly asked in data engineering interviews. So whether you are preparing for your next big interview or just looking to sharpen your SQL skill, this video has got you covered. Right. So we will deep dive into complex queries, optimization techniques, and best practices to help you stand out as a top candidate. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for such tech tutorials. Today is the day second of my Leet code challenge. So I am going to talk about this problem statement, which is employee earning more than their managers. Right. So we have a data set. I'm going to quickly write it down. So here's an employee ID 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have name as Joe, Henry, Sam, and Max. Then we have salary, which is 70, 80, 60, 90. Just let's suppose like it's 70,000, 80,000, right? So like 70, 80, 60, 90. And manager ID, which is 3, 4, null, null. So looking at the data set, you can easily know like, okay, this particular employee 1 has this manager 3, which is Sam, right? For second, the manager is Max, right? And in this particular data set, if you can see, Joe is earning 70 rupees while his manager, who is Sam, is earning 60 rupees. So Joe is earning more than his manager. If you look at Henry is earning 80, but his manager is earning 90. So Henry is not earning more than his manager. So in the result set, Joe should come out because he is earning more than his manager. So there can be some different approach of solving this. So output expected should be employee and the name of that employee, so Joe. So this would be your column and this would be the value. So what I was thinking to solve this problem is to kind of do inner join in this table. So employee, this is an employee table, right? So we will try to fetch the name. So just suppose e dot name. Okay, let me draw it down like this. So I'll just give you an algorithm, and basis that we can write a SQL query. So basically what we want is like, from suppose this is employee table, right? So just keep it as alias as e. So from that employee table, what we would want, what we are interested is in name. So e dot name as this particular should be the output employee. So from, so your table is the same because we have only one table, right? So we can write as employee e, and then we will do some inner join with same table, and we will keep it as m. Now the condition is, if you see, this particular employee manager ID should match with the ID of this particular side. So basically your manager ID, so it should be like e, which is our employee manager ID should equals to the same table but with ID, right? So this manager should be equal to the ID, right? So if this is ID, then that means that is an employee, and who is the manager, right? So that association we have to think. So the condition would be very pretty simple, like your employee salary, right? It's a salary should be greater than your manager's salary. So this is one approach of solving this problem, right? So we can use subquery as well. Let's look at it, like how we can solve it using a subquery, and that is pretty simple as well. So yeah, let me just rub it down first. So we are more interested in understanding, taking out the name of those employees who are earning more than their uh, so employee name from table employee where salary is greater than what? Salary of manager. So it will be employee, just keeping it as M for manager, and then just on what condition, where this manager ID is equals to employee manager ID. That can be also one technique of solving this kind of problem statement. It's pretty simple. I mean, just used a subquery to solve this problem, and it's working as expected. So I hope you liked my approach. We can also solve it using CT. So there can be different ways of solving the same problem statement, and I hope you understood this concept, and hence I request you to share and subscribe for more such tech tutorials and interview tips. Thank you.